Here I'm packaging my client's goods, the mother and daughter one, the mother and daughter combo. Oh, this was so much fun to work with. I am a firm believer, obviously, in God and Jesus Christ. So this was really something different to work with. And she wanted like reds, maroons. So I couldn't really find maroon, but I did think that a red and orange would go together. Also, for me, it's symbolic of the fire that is the Holy Spirit and the fire that is God. So I thought, why not? If not, why not? I think they're gonna look super cute in it. I'm packaging it in there. These plastics are so affordable for packaging. Guys, packaging is something else. I just need my things to be neatly packaged and stuff. This is my workstation, guys. I don't have a huge place to work, but I put pride into what I do. There it is. That's the baby combo. That's for baby Kanya. And here is for Mama Bear. This is Mama Bear's hat. I wrote love on both of them, but with different glitter. So I stencilized it with paint, and then I poured glitter on the paint before it dried, so that when it dries infused with the glitter. So here's the mother's pot going in there. She chose a size medium. Kanya, she said 5 to 6. And Tabby's her mom. Here's the head. Oh, guys! I cannot wait for them to get dressed and be training in this combo. Can't wait to upload the pictures and the videos. It's not sitting properly, so these bags, sometimes they stay too long and you don't get to see it properly. There's Mama's outfit. There's baby's outfit. Thank you so much for the support that you guys are showing my tie-dye things. I appreciate it. There's Mama. There's baby. Ready to go. I'm happy. Thank you.